Namaste and welcome to New India Junction. I'm your host Nivedita Tiwari. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the President of the United States of America, Joe Biden, had a telephonic discussion on 26th of April 2021 to discuss the COVID-19 situation in their respective countries. India's ongoing efforts to contain the second wave of COVID-19 through expedited vaccination efforts and ensuring supply of critical medicines, therapeutics and healthcare equipment was highlighted by PM Modi. On his part, President Biden affirmed that the US was determined to support India's efforts by swiftly deploying resources, including raw materials needed in India for the manufacture of Covishield vaccine. Now, this call must be seen in the backdrop of the sequence of events that took place. On 24th April, a US State Department spokesperson, Ned Price, had told the media on being asked about making raw materials available to India that they have a special responsibility to the American people. The spokesperson had also gone on to say that it is in the interests of the rest of the world to see Americans vaccinated first. The response had come after a journalist had asked about the head of Serum Institute of India, Adar Poonawala's request to the US President on Twitter to lift the embargo on raw materials. The statement had led to much backlash in India and among the Indian American community. Analysts even noted that the Biden administration's response will haunt US-India ties for years to come. In contrast, countries like China, France and Australia had come forth to help. The Chinese government offered support and help according to India's needs, Foreign Ministry spokesperson Zhao Lijian told the media. However, it seems America realized the damage done by the statement and rushed into control. Following back-channel diplomatic talks between Indian National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and his US counterpart Jake Sullivan, a breakthrough was achieved. Soon, tweets by top officials of the US State Department rushed in to further build up and affirm the same. This was followed by tweets from US Vice President Kamala Harris and President Joe Biden expressing their determination to help India. We hope that this incident will be a mere blip in the steady curve of the US-India relationship. Keep watching New India Junction.